Be ready, start. The modern day organization has undergone a tremendous amount of modification over the last 2 decades. Although changes happened across departments and sectors, human resource is one which saw a 360-degree transformation which was never realized in the past. The challenges posed by a modern day growing organization become manifold. On one hand, market share was fast eroding owing to steep competition. Customer loyalty reached a new remarkable situation, thereby having a significant blot on both the top line and the bottom line. Companies are finding the going tough as the dynamics in the business environment are changing very fast. Companies like Nokia and Mattel recently realized that one need to be extra cautious at every point in time, thereby ensuring the company's image does not take a beating. At the end of the day, if one zeroes into the underlying reasons which makes an organization a market leader and the second a follower, it primarily is a pointer to the human resources the organization has and the way they are managed. Digitization and automation might be the thing today, but players are willing to trade that extra mile to give their employees the due place they deserve in the overall scheme of things. Infosys can come out with world class software provided they have a team of professionals who can empathize with the customer and converts the expectation into software solutions. Kingfisher might have the latest aircrafts from Boeing or Airbus. However, their commercial staff and in-flight crew members, pilots, etc., create the difference. Human element being the core to the existence of all organizations are witnessing images of their valued employees partly owing to steep competition and its after effects and mainly due to their own negligence. The employees leaving the organization are going to create a void which might be filled in a short period as abundant manpower is available even to the employers. The bigger blot is these employees are not only taking away their competence and expertise, they also take back the organizational secrets which might be detrimental to the company in the large run. Moreover, if employees leave an organization with a heavy heart due to some wrong practices adopted by the management, then the deviation it can have on the employer's image is huge. Admits an employee who recently left a mid-sized pharma company due to the discrimination meted to him. Stop.